Hey everyone, well, welcome to my final Kicking Horse construction video. The 4 lanes are open and all the closures are gone, at least until springtime. They've still got some work to do on this, but it's not going to be finished until the spring. So the highway is 100% open now, all 4 lanes, and let's take a drive through it. So we're coming up the hill. They still have some paving on the eastbound lanes to do, which I imagine they're going to do in the spring. Well, they're not going to do it now anyways. But it's kind of a sad day for me because this is my last Kicking Horse Phase 4 construction video. And I would like to thank everyone for supporting my videos, subscribing, sending me comments. I really enjoyed it. I respond to every single comment. So I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm still following the other constructions, but all of them are shut down to the spring except Tappan, which the Tappan construction site is getting a little bit harder to record because they're blasting the mountain away, and I can't really get any video from that. So, but once they get it going in full swing, I'll continue doing the Tappan 4-lane project. But it's been fun doing these videos. I've really enjoyed it, and I hope to carry on with other stuff. Send in your comments what you'd like to see. I have some ideas, but we'll have to wait and see. So my trips out here aren't going to stop. This is so nice, it being 4-lane, and anyways, I am going to hush up, enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you like it. This is the rock cut. Oh, Facebook has been doing a series on all the viaducts and the bridges along here. I think every week they're doing a new segment. So you should check that out. They go into detail about each section of it. It tells you how many viaducts, how many bridges, so on, and the names of each of them. But believe it or not, every single one of these bridges and viaducts has a name. I couldn't believe it when I heard it. Anyways, we're coming to the end. Thanks again. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and We'll talk to you later. Bye for now.